here a long time. That's why it's kind of broken. I think you can hang here. Hello everyone, I'm Joshua from Canada. Welcome back to my channel. আজকে আমি জানুয়ারিতে ফার্স্ট বাইরে আসছি, আবার আজকে একটা পার্কেও এসেছি। আজকে উইন্টার সাডেনলি ওয়েদার প্লাস হয়েছে, 5+ হয়েছে। বিভিন্ন ঘুমাই এসে ওই ঘরে আমি একটু স্যালামিতে লঞ্চ ফিল করছি। যে বেরিয়ে থাকতে অনেক ফান করতে পারতাম, স্নো অনেক খেলা করতে পারতাম। The snow is not too soft. It's hard. The guy looks like someone made a big snowman, but they didn't finish. Let me try to make the finishing touches. How about let's get the ice from Pinecone? Oh, that's a large eye. How about let's get another pinecone? I got another pinecone. Let's give it here. It looks like God's frozen. Oh, just forget it. Let's go to the playground. It looks like it bounces. It goes round and round, but actually it bounces a lot. You can jump on it all day long. These handles are just for safe, so that you don't slip. I was almost getting slipped. Now let's climb this. Pirate! So rubber they can climb. How do I swing like this? Ooh, it's so fun. How about let's climb this thing? Let's try it out. I don't know I can do it, but let's try. I don't even climb this and like spin this. Oh, I'm so high. Hi, Mommy. What's there? Let's see. এখানে সাইন ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ আছে, যার উপর শুনতে হয় না সেটার জন্য অ্যালফাবেট সাইন ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ। So this is A. This is C. It's easy to make a C. And this is D. Is it like this? And then that? Okay, this is a D. And this is a E. So you do this and that. Oh, my hand is frozen. Okay, I think this is like that. এই সাইন ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ যারা হিয়ার করতে পারে না, যারা ডেফ সেটার জন্য। আমি খুবই লাকি, আমি তো হিয়ার করতে পারার সব সেন্সেস আছে। I can see well, I can smell well, I can talk well. Do you know the 5 senses? I'm going to tell you guys now. First is sight, that we can see. Second is smell, so that we can smell yummy food. And then is taste, so that we can eat yummy things like cake. And then is touch, so that we can touch our toys. Then is hearing, so that we can hear others. All of the 5 senses are important to every human on earth, but don't think everybody has those 5 senses. Some people don't. Some people are blind, that means they can't see well, and some people can taste. If you just anyways do this, do like this, like how about get a clip and plug it out of your nose and then taste. You can't taste it well, you can't understand what is it. I did this before. These are all so important. Be thankful you have those. Be thankful. I'm happy I can see so that I can watch TV. And I can taste so that I can eat some yummy food from Mom. Allah's great, isn't he? You can like go up here with that. I want to run here. It's so fun to run. Here's the place for outdoor ice skating. আমি তো পারবো না আজকে করতে, আমি শিখিনি আইস স্কেটিং। আমি খুবই নার্ভাস হতে, আমি ব্যালেন্স ঠিক মতো আমরা দুইজনই শিখবো। Maybe next year you're riding a bike, you should wear a helmet and knee pads. He's still learning? Maybe he's learning. And you saw that boy fall down, but we shouldn't make fun of him. If we make fun of him, he's gonna be hurt. But if we don't, he's gonna be just doing up and be brave. So we shouldn't make fun of him. We shouldn't make fun of anyone. Never make fun of people. Never. You should never. It doesn't even matter with skin color, how they look. We should be thankful for this whole universe. Like the water park is closed because it's winter. It's the middle of winter. People say, hide. like the pool Alberta can spray park every year every summer, but that one snows that one did the barbona. Everywhere's covered with snow, and these guys are getting ready to slide down the hill. How do you do diving?
10 out of 10.
Slides are lots of other things, but Mama did ground virus or Dunami Park did the Barchina. I'm going to upset her. Treat it. Can I the nest bird? I think it's a bird at the nest. I wonder if the eggs or birds will sleep or already sleep or I wonder. I wish I had a long ladder and I could climb on it and see if there's birds or eggs. And I could even research the birds. Ask already evening with a check on. Maybe I'm a dowser, maybe I'll make the Tim Hortons nibble. So thank you for watching and stay tuned with me for more amazing content. And please subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Bye!